Sånt keittiö on niin salpa.
Yeah, today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajavuorenrinne, the Red Forest, staircase F. And here in this residential building, we're going to film the staircases from the last to first one because it's easier for us to walk like that. From F to A. There are 6 floors here. It was built in 1971. It's only 50 years old this year in 2021. The serial number is H25884. 864 actually. I couldn't see it so clearly. It's 864. Capacity is 4 person, 320 cars to be expected in the next year, 2022, with 6 floors. Stop and live at the start of the MP6. Nu vet jag Kone jossakin syvävuonet.
Yeah.
And this is in Martinlaakso, modernized, in Vantaa, Västerbotten, in the Helsinki region, in Finland. Of course, they also deserve 2 rights. Maybe this one is a spare part. This was his full green. Like I don't think they had it from the beginning, not 21.
Yeah.
So it's probably a spare part. Somebody had burnt it and they replaced it.
Yeah.
If we see P on the other ones, then.
Yeah.
There was the case where there was even the yellow as a spare part in Länsimäki. But that was a spare part also.
Yeah. Jos teit vaikka laittaa, että mä teen pois.
Also, it will be strange to have a red floor button.
No yes.
On the armor. It wouldn't be impossible if there's no other buttons available.
Yeah.
At that point. And then of course, depending on the serial number, this is like spring or summer 1971, we might check it.
Yeah.
So that's it, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of the staircases, the 5 other ones.
That's